Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The BRP Antonio Luna FF151, commissioned as part of the Philippine Navy's modernization efforts, stands as one of the most advanced warships in the country's history, designed to elevate maritime defense and strengthen regional presence. This vessel, classified as a guided missile frigate, combines modern combat systems with efficient design features to ensure multi-role flexibility. For those unfamiliar with naval terminology, a frigate is essentially a medium-sized warship capable of carrying out a wide range of missions, from patrolling vast stretches of ocean to engaging in full-scale naval warfare if required. The Antonio Luna belongs to the Rizal class frigates, a series developed by South Korea's Hyundai Heavy Industries for the Philippine Navy, and it serves as the sister ship to the BRP Rizal. Together, they represent a leap in capability compared to the older vessels in the fleet. One of the most striking aspects of the BRP Antonio Luna is its design. The ship incorporates stealth technology, which reduces its radar cross-section, making it less visible to enemy detection systems. Its angular superstructure and smooth surfaces are engineered to deflect radar signals, a feature that places it closer to the standard of modern naval powers in the Asia-Pacific region. At around 107 meters in length with a displacement of over 2,600 tons, it strikes a balance between being compact enough for maneuverability and large enough to host advanced weapons and systems. The layout of the ship ensures that it can function effectively in both blue water, deep ocean, and brown water coastal operations, making it highly versatile for the Philippines' archipelagic geography. Performance-wise, the Antonio Luna is powered by a combined diesel and diesel propulsion system, known as CODAD, which allows it to cruise at a maximum speed of over 25 knots and maintain a range of about 4,500 nautical miles at an economical speed. This means the ship can operate for extended periods at sea without refueling, covering large distances, a critical advantage for a country with more than 7,000 islands to patrol. The ship's endurance is measured in weeks rather than days, which ensures operational readiness in times of crisis. For everyday viewers, this translates into a vessel that is not only fast but also capable of staying out at sea for long missions without being tethered to constant resupply. When it comes to combat systems, the Antonio Luna is outfitted with an array of advanced technologies that elevate it beyond a simple patrol ship. It carries a 76mm Super Rapid main gun manufactured by OTO Malara, capable of engaging surface and air targets with impressive precision. Complementing this are secondary weapons including machine guns and smaller caliber cannons designed for close-in defense against smaller vessels or asymmetric threats like pirates. But the real selling point lies in its missile systems. The ship is designed to carry surface-to-air missiles for air defense and anti-ship missiles to engage larger naval threats, though some of these systems were planned for incremental upgrades after commissioning. The inclusion of these weapon systems transforms the ship into a credible deterrent against both conventional naval forces and unconventional threats in the region. The Antonio Luna also integrates sophisticated sensors and radar systems, including a 3D air and surface surveillance radar, fire control radar, and sonar for submarine detection. These systems are tied together through a combat management system, or CMS, which allows the ship's crew to monitor and respond to multiple threats simultaneously. For those not steeped in naval jargon, the CMS is like the brain of the ship. It fuses data from all sensors and weapons, giving the operators a clear and coordinated picture of the battlefield. This makes decision-making faster, more accurate, and ultimately more effective in the high-pressure environment of naval combat. Another vital capability of the BRP Antonio Luna is anti-submarine warfare. Equipped with torpedo launchers and sonar systems, the ship can track and engage submarines that might otherwise pose a hidden danger. It also features a flight deck and hangar to accommodate a naval helicopter, typically the FF151 Wildcat, which extends the ship's surveillance and strike capabilities far beyond what its onboard systems alone can achieve. The helicopter can deploy its own sonar, carry torpedoes, and conduct maritime patrols, providing the frigate with a valuable force multiplier. This helicopter capability ensures that the Antonio Luna is not confined to what it can see on radar but can project its influence across much larger areas. One of the more unique selling points of this ship, especially in the context of the Philippine Navy, is the leap in technology it represents. For decades, the Navy operated older, hand-me-down ships, often second-hand vessels from allies. The Antonio Luna, however, is a modern warship designed and built with cutting-edge systems that bring the fleet closer to modern standards. It not only enhances combat capabilities but also boosts national pride, signaling that the Philippines is serious about protecting its maritime interests. This is particularly significant in the West Philippine Sea, where disputes over territory and resources make naval presence a critical aspect of national security. Despite its high-tech profile, the design of the Antonio Luna also considers efficiency and practicality. The crew accommodations are modern and relatively comfortable, allowing sailors to endure long deployments at sea. Automation has been integrated into many systems, reducing crew workload and allowing for a leaner but more effective team to operate the ship. Safety and survivability are also prioritized, with features designed to minimize damage from enemy attacks or accidents. These include compartmentalized sections to prevent flooding and fire suppression systems to enhance resilience in combat scenarios. From an operational perspective, the Antonio Luna is a multi-role platform. It can conduct traditional naval warfare missions, but it is equally adept at humanitarian assistance and disaster response, which is a frequent demand in the Philippines due to natural disasters. The ability to project power, transport relief supplies, and support rescue missions makes the ship a versatile tool of both defense and diplomacy. In peacetime, its presence in regional exercises and joint patrols with allies enhances international cooperation, showcasing the Philippine Navy as a more capable and reliable partner. In terms of global comparisons, the Antonio Luna may not match the size or firepower of destroyers and cruisers from superpowers, but within its class and regional context, it is a formidable ship. Its balance of stealth design, advanced sensors, missile systems, and helicopter integration positions it is one of the most capable frigates in Southeast Asia. For laypersons, think of it as a smartphone that combines camera, GPS, internet, and apps all into one device. The Antonio Luna does something similar in naval terms by combining different combat and support functions into a single, compact warship. Ultimately, the BRP Antonio Luna FF151 is more than just a ship, it represents a transformation in the Philippine Navy's approach to maritime defense. It is fast, stealthy, well-armed, and equipped with modern sensors and systems that make it capable of handling multiple threats at once. Its ability to operate for long durations, carry a helicopter, and engage in anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine missions gives it a level of versatility that older ships simply could not provide. For the Philippines, this means enhanced protection of its territorial waters, stronger defense posture in contested regions, and a vessel that can project influence far beyond its immediate coastline. For everyday viewers, the Antonio Luna is a symbol of progress, an advanced guardian of the seas that not only defends but also inspires confidence in the nation's future maritime security.